Hey guys, it's Jordan here in the marketing department, and today we're going to talk about spring home maintenance tips to help avoid insurance claims. Spring has sprung, so we just want to have you check just a few things, like electrical outlets. A lot of people have extension cords and they use them throughout their house, around their house, but these are not designed for permanent fixtures. So if you have an extension cord laying around being used all the time, you might want to reach out to an electrician to have another outlet put in that could cause a fire and is actually a fire hazard. Another thing to check during the spring is your air conditioning. Checking to see if there's any leaks, so when summer comes you're not surprised when those leaks occur, and then those leaks could actually get into the electrical and cause another fire. The next thing is getting your furnace checked out, getting a nice clean tune-up, and then the last but not least is checking out your dryer. Lint does build up and that could cause another fire, and these are all things that we do not want to happen as homeowners, so that's why we are presenting them to you. If you have any questions, give us a call here at 860-684-5270. Thank you.